How to search and add stickers to text messages on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then open up the text messages app. Next, open up your text conversation, or you can create a new one. Now in here, tap on this smiley face icon. Then tap on stickers tab at the top. And here you can scroll down and look for your stickers. You can use the search text box to look for your favorite stickers. So for example, birthday, cake. And here you got a lot of different cakes you could choose. So select your image and then tap on the back key to go back to your text box. And here you can write your text. So I'll put in the text caption here. Happy birthday. And then tap on the send button. And that's it. So that's how you can add in stickers to your text messages on the Samsung Galaxy S26 series. Thank you for watching this video.